The Spurs control the tip. Parker with the jump, and that's his first foul of the game.
This boy, he played that one beautiful, textbook. Saw where the ball handler's head, got there first, and set his feet. Outstanding defensive play.
With the teardrop, gets the lead. The Spurs with the ball, and it's a 2-point game. Shutting down by Splitter. Mark brings it up. He looks exhausted, too. He could really use a breather. Passes it to Yao. From short range, he gets his foul. Take a trip to the line.
Looked like a good call from here where I see definitely some contact in that shot.
And he makes the first one. Gets him going. The Spurs with the ball. Not 3.5 minutes left in overtime. Sails in. Hill on the rebound. Cross court to the corner. Mark buries a corner jumper.
They left him wide open, and of course, he knocked down the shot. His mid-range game is rock solid.
It's a 4-point ball game. To the right. Off right iron to Brooks. The Rockets with the ball. 2:55 left in overtime. Parker saw the pass coming and come up for the steal. An emphatic stop to finish the break by Parker. To the middle to Brooks. The Rockets with the ball. They've been doing a great job so far sharing the rock on offense. To the left wing, to the left side. Snatched down on D by Splitter. To Jefferson. The dunk was just in by Jefferson.
Jefferson brought the game with that one. That's definitely going to give him a boot.
To the right corner, to Stoll. Cross court to the top of the key. Stoll. Brooks corrals the miss inside. The pass for Reza. Feeds it to Martin. Behind the arc. Bounces off the left rim and out. We've got a tie ball game here. Jefferson got the bucket and the foul. Completes the 3-point play that makes it a 3-point lead. Brooks brings it up the court. He's shooting 41% from the field. The three was off target by Ariza.
That was a bold assignment by the defense, but he let him off the hook.
Splitter crosses it over. Swings it to Jefferson. Passes it to Splitter. On the shot clock. Gives the up. They couldn't beat the buzzer. That's a turnover. The Rockets bring it up. 1:23 left in overtime. Lead pass to the high post. From deep. Splitter has it, and that's his 10th rebound in this one. Was out of bounds there. That will cost them possession. The inbound.
Brooks did an excellent job to get the shot off over a taller defender. That's the way to work.
Hands it to Manu. The reverse jam was ripped through by Manu. Brooks brings it up the floor. He's 1 for 3 from 3-point range. Duncan knocked that one away, and that's his second block so far. On the shot clock. Stepping on the line, and they will get off the ball.